In this video, we will learn how to fix WhatsApp stuck on the loading screen. First, turn on airplane mode and then open WhatsApp. After that, turn on Wi-Fi and check whether it works or not. If this method doesn't work, make sure your internet connection is working properly. The third method is to open Settings, go to Apps, search for WhatsApp, and open it. Tap on Force Stop, then go to Storage and clear the cache. After that, open WhatsApp again. If it's still not working, uninstall WhatsApp and then reinstall it. These methods should solve your issue. That's it for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.